room is Jacob moving into?
The room upstairs, right? And then eventually downstairs.
Yeah, until downstairs. Yeah, no. I mean, it's...
Yes? I'm
It's a
scared
big
for her,
move.
too.
I think anyone would be scared.
Well, no, it's just like the recent shit is fucked up. And this sucks that that had to happen.
I'm at the airfield. Where you at?
Really? Cause shit's getting worse.
Where you at, Gib? Where are you at, dude? Fucking stop. I'm at the fucking water.
Yeah, dude, come to me. I'm
No,
at the
fuck,
industrial
I'm
building.
literally
Fuck
right
you.
here.
I'm the one that cried and tell.
Fucking cried bitch, more like it.
It's fucked up.
Dude, seriously, what the fuck?
Did you have an AKM to drug me?
Yeah.
So do I. I just don't have a can though. Right. Oh shit.
What, you good?
No, I'm not good.
What building are you at? I see that off-road. There's a fucking, okay, what building are you in, Andy?
I'm at the Disco Blue buildings.
There's an off-road in, like, the middle of the airfield right there.
Oh, he put on a clown mask. That's neat.
Do you have a clown mask on?
He did. Right as I'm leaving.
Yeah, that's what I'm fucking talking about, yeah. Something land in the road there, probably a landmine. It's an IED. Jacket. Dead person. That's a fucking fetus. Said beige, it said beige. It stopped you from catching on fire. Where should I put this landmine?
Oh, no, go put it by the Southern Barracks, Jocelyn. Go put it by the Southern Barracks. So go put it there real quick, and then they'll blow up and die. Cause they're going there right now.
Where are the guys to our right here? I don't see them. Whoa. They see us.
That'd be a real bummer if I had to go there and kill them. I told him I had friends though. So. No wait, I told the guy they killed. I had friends.
Let's see if there's any burlap straps in here, man. Could be useful. Oh, Peter.
No, they're fucking people have KOS rants on them.
I'm gonna put it in the building that gets the most foot traffic in the entire game, so that Someone will blow up and die.
Yeah, because then they just blow up and die randomly.
Yeah, same thing. They're walking into a building and fucking die. Hysterical. It's even been, I watched a fucking video. This guy placed out a mine and then waited 30 minutes with a sniper scope on it and watched someone fucking explode.
Honestly.
That would have been great.
Hey, man. You're just a dead chicken.
Dude. Oh shit, man.
Do you have a knife?
No, I don't have a knife.
I have this little makeshift rock. I wonder if I can put some of the feathers in my hat.
You're in your head.
Colonel?
I just have to be really delicate, you know, because it's so
You can put a
tiny.
fishing hook in it. Yep, and you can also put a bone fishing hook in it. Get some bones and make some improvised knife and you make. You take the bones off that chicken and make it.
People will be confused when
Now
they
put it in
rob
your
you.
hair. And put it in your hair. I don't know. Is it in there? Can't see it. Yeah, it's the only thing it can hold on it. Fuck is Andy at?
Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no.
Where let me see it. What the fuck, dude? What's up, Andy? Andy, fat hits, dude. Yeah.
I took...
No, it's like if you're fishing that you don't have to keep an inventory space when you fish.
I'm not gonna lie, that hit almost killed me.
Are you good? Just...
Yeah, no, I can't, I was doing the dink stuff and I kept it in for way too long and I just felt my mind instantly, like, collapse. Yeah.
That's rad. Good hit. That's
I was scared.
No, you take the hit until you get tunnel vision and then you stop.
That's what I did, but it was like...
That's what I do,
of
and
it.
it's gold, dude. Yeah.
Yeah, then you have to savor it.
There's somebody standing there. Is that you, Andy? Right there.
Here's your car, man. Let's go check this out.
Oh yeah.
There's a friend over there.
Oh hey, what's up guys?
Oh, hey.
Mark? What's up?
Hey, Mark.
Hey, how's it going, man? I just saw like a couple of
Good.
guys going through. They just fucking shot up a whole bunch of people, dude.
Good. Where at?
Yeah, those are the good ones.
I mean, yeah, no, this car's like good to go. It just needs a battery. Yeah, no, I was scared there. I just lost touch with reality. It was weird. I'm gonna do it again.
Kid. Fishing, Andy. Oh, dude, I'm hungry. Yo, set up this. I'm gonna set up this landmine. Yeah.
Let's just sit by it and wait for an explosion.
Yeah, I'm putting it right here, so we will hear it. Oh my god, dude. We can't go in the tents anymore, dude, I'm telling you.
Hey, do you know your blood type, man? Mark? No. Here you go, man. It's on the ground if you want to use it. You just gotta prick your finger, let it go inside the little cup of water, and then you just put the little distiller in it, man, and you can figure out what blood type you are depending on what color it changes. It'll be blue, green, orange, all types of different colors.
Checked myself 3 times.
again? I need to still know what I am. Note, you're A positive. I know for a fact. Let me use yours. Because I don't know what I am. You might have to I'm A positive.
Are you okay?
Yeah, hey,
Hey, can I have that improvised knife?
Sure, man. I can show you how to make it too. All you gotta do is find a good sized rock and then you just gotta go and you just gotta chisel it, man. Chisel it for
whatever.
hours and hours and you just gotta make sure to get a... You don't want to buy like a knife sharpener if you can get one somewhere. You can't really buy them anymore, but I mean like trade, you know, man. You get a knife sharpener and then it's really easy, you know, just to get any piece of rock and just be able to slather it on there and just get it nice and sharp.
He's
No,
dead.
I'm dead. Gabe.
Your turn, motherfucker.
Gabe.
Johnson, what do you want?
No, I don't want you to die. I don't want